Two bags here of a quick update on the price of SLP and what possibilities and probabilities I see regarding the price over the next few weeks. I'll discuss what I consider to be the four cornerstones of trading: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, self-analysis, and market sentiment. Regarding the fundamentals, the SLP rewards for adventure were reduced on the 9th of August. It takes around 14 days to see the full impacts of this change, as that's how often you can claim or SLP is minted. In theory, around day 7 after the change, you will see 50% of the impact of the change taking place. So we expect to see the difference between minted and burned, or that is minted minus burned, to be 50% less of a problem. It seems this was the case. We're on day 10 now since the change, and we have seen 3 days in a row of reduced SLP minting, and the ratios are starting to look a lot more balanced. There was 65 million SLP minted yesterday and 53 million SLP burned. If we do some technical analysis, we're approaching a major area of resistance that may turn into support. We could consider that this area might be a high probability area for the price to do a reversal. If we draw a fib retracement from the high to the low, we might expect price to retrace to around the 50% area, which is around 25 cents. The first blue line here shows the day that the SLP earnings were changed. This is day 1, where we will not see any of the changes impacting the price or the issuance. And this blue line shows day 14, where we will see 100% of the change impacting the price and the issuance. So we still have a few days to go. Market sentiment is very difficult to analyze, as it depends a lot on which market participants you are exposed to in your social circles. Based on my exposure to participants, I believe that breeders have started to learn new breeding techniques and are regaining confidence, having had time to see what works and what doesn't work with season 18. Holders of floor Axies continue to accept the new value of their Axies and sell at lower prices each day. This is easiest to demonstrate using Max Brand 99's Axie charts, where you can see the floor price of Axies over time. So if we take those 3 cornerstones, bearing in mind that the 4th cornerstone is self-analysis, and bring them together to draw a conclusion, we could say that if this trend of SLP minting to burning ratio continues to balance or equalize, or even tip into more burning than minted, I would not be surprised to see a bounce to the 20 or 25 cents, or maybe even 30 cents area over the next few weeks. However, if breeding doesn't continue at this rate, or SLP minting starts rising again, and the devs don't change the breeding cost in SLP, I anticipate that we could see lower prices at around 10 cents. I found this 10-cent area by looking at these lows here on the technical. Since then, we have started to see a small bounce off the support area. However, looking at the SLP issuance charts, there is less burned than yesterday and more minted than yesterday. So we will want to keep our eye on this chart over the next few weeks. I do regular analysis on the crypto markets and the Axie Infinity economy. If you are also interested to receive my analysis and alerts that I provide to my community VIPs, please join the Discord server via the link in the description and send me a direct message. If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe for future video content. Thank you.